Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term Pita. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, Pita is a slang term for a person or thing that is annoying or troublesome. People use it when something or someone causes frustration or inconvenience. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. PETA first showed up in American English around the mid 20th century as an acronym for pain in the ass. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among informal speakers and in casual conversations. Now let's check out how to use PETA in a sentence. Correct example 1. She is such a PETA when she keeps interrupting the meeting. Correct example 2. This traffic jam is a total PETA today. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said pita at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using pita right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Pita means a person or thing that is annoying or troublesome. It started as an acronym for pain in the ass in American English, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with PETA in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.